Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool morph transition in Canva. So just have this picture of an ice cream here, and I'm just going to maybe add like nuts pictures, like everywhere. I don't know, should I just use chocolate? I feel like, oh, let's do this. Perfect. I'm gonna just flip it so it doesn't look the same. Then I'm gonna flip it once more. Okay, this is just how I'm going to design it. And I'm just going to add a text here. Let's name the ice cream like Rocky Road. You can obviously color it whatever and make the font whatever you want. And obviously the concept too. This is just the current concept for this tutorial. Let's add like a lift to it so you guys can see the text a little bit better. And I'm actually going to put it on the second slide. Let me duplicate it first actually, and let me delete this page. And then on the first slide, I'm actually going to make this smaller. And then I'm going to take this and I'm just going to make this like go behind the actually I'm just going to make it small so you can't see it, and I'm going to put the text here and I'll add like new flavor maybe up here. And then here I'm going to add a transition and we're going to use the match and move one. You can adjust the duration here, and as you can see it kind of like has this morph to it. Where is it? Oh, here it is. I guess you can place the like nuts in the first slide behind the ice cream. So I'm gonna just do that. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. It's super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.